Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Memorisa from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. Today I am going to deliver the 2nd August SVT lecture of chemistry for grade 10, which is question number 2. Look at question number 2. Kc has a different unit for different reversible reactions. Why? The question is that we have different Kc units for different reversible reaction. Reversible reaction mean those reaction which move both in forward direction and in reverse direction, and Kc mean equilibrium constant. Okay, so why we have different units for different reaction? The answer is present in your notes, chapter number 9 and question number 11. Let's move toward the answer. The answer is that Kc has a different units for different reversible reactions because the unit of Kc depend on equilibrium constant expression for the given reaction. So Kc depend on the equilibrium constant expression. Okay, what is mean by Kc? Kc is the ratio of concentration of product over the concentration of the reactant. So the Kc depend on the equilibrium constant expression. What is mean by equilibrium constant expression? Equilibrium constant expression, when we write the concentration of product in the nominator form and the concentration of the reactant in the denominator form, then this ratio is known as equilibrium constant expression. So we have three cases for unit of Kc. Case 1 is Kc has no unit for a reaction in which the number of moles of reactants and products are equal. When we have same number of moles of reactant and products, then Kc has no units because the number of moles of reactant and product are cancelled out with each other. Okay, this is because concentration units cancel out in the expression for Kc. Why we don't have a unit for the reaction which have same number of moles of reactants and same number of moles of the product? Because the concentration units cancel out with each other. Concentration mean the units which we use for concentration. Okay, let's explain this case 1 with the following example. We have an example. We have example, when 1 mole of hydrogen react with 1 mole of iodine, so it will form a 2 mole of hydrogen iodide. So write the expression for this. Whenever we write the expression for the reaction must be balanced chemical equation. How we will write the expression of Kc for such reaction? Okay, write Kc is equal to, so this is a product, the product must be in the nominator form, and this is the reactant, write the reactant in the denominator form. Okay, and close this in a bracket, and this bracket represent the concentration of the product and the reactant. So here is a mole. Okay, 2 is a number of moles of the product. So how we will write the number of moles of the product? So the number of moles of the must be write in the power form. हमने number of moles को किस चीज़ के फॉर्म में लिखना है? पावर के फॉर्म में लिखना है. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन कि प्रोडक्ट को हमने नोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में लिखना है, रिएक्टेंट को हमने डिनोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में लिखना है, और इसको हमने ब्रैकेट में क्लोज करना है, और नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को हमने पावर के फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ Kc फॉर अ गिवन रिएक्शन. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द यूनिट ऑफ Kc फॉर सच रिएक्शन. So how we will find out the unit for such reactions? As we know that the unit of concentration is a mole per dm cube. हमारे पास concentration का जो unit है वो क्या है? mole per dm cube है. So the unit of Kc is equal to, so what is the unit of concentration for hydrogen iodide? So the unit of concentration for hydrogen iodide is a mole per dm cube. So how many moles of hydrogen iodide we have? We have 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. So that's why we have write 2 in the power form. So now move toward the reactant. This is hydrogen. What is the unit of concentration of hydrogen? The unit of concentration of hydrogen is also mole per dm cube. So write mole per dm cube for hydrogen and close it in a bracket. There is no power because we have only 1 mole of hydrogen. Now this is iodine. Write the unit of concentration for iodine, which is mole per dm cube. So there is no power for iodine because because we have only 1 mole of iodine. There is no need to write 1. Now in the nominator we have 2 mole per dm cube, and also in denominator we have 2 mole per dm cube, and it will cancel out with each other. ये एक दूसरे के साथ क्या हो जाते हैं? कैंसल हो जाते हैं. That's why we don't have a unit for such reaction in which the number of moles of reactant is equal to the number of moles of the product. Now move toward the case 2. Kc has a unit for a reaction in which the number of moles of product is greater than the reactant in a balanced chemical equation. अगर हमारे पास कोई ऐसा रिएक्शन है in which the number of moles of product is greater, जिसमें number of moles of product ज़्यादा होंगे as compared to reactant, so we have a unit for such reaction. Let's take an example. This is an example. We have 1 mole of reactant and 2 mole of a product. It's mean that the number of moles of product is greater than the reactant. Write the Kc expression for in this reaction. So how we will write the Kc expression? Write the product in the numerator and the reactant in the denominator, and we have 2 moles of product, so write 2 in the power form. So how we will find out the unit for such reaction? Unit of Kc is equal to, as you know, that unit of concentration is mole per dm cube, so write mole per dm cube in the bracket for the product. How many moles of product we have? We have 2 moles of product, so here write 2 in the power form. So now write a unit of concentration for the reactant. So mole per dm cube is the unit of concentration for the reactant. There is no power because we have only 1 mole of the reactant and there is no need to write 1. अब देखिए हमारे पास 2 मोल पर डी एम क्यूब नोमिनेटर में है और 1 मोल पर डी एम क्यूब डिनोमिनेटर में है, तो ये 1 और 1 एक दूसरे के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास 1 मोल पर डी एम क्यूब रह जाएगा, विच इज़ द यूनिट ऑफ Kc फॉर द रिएक्शन. सो दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ Kc फॉर द रिएक्शन इन विच द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज ग्रेटर देन द रिएक्टेंट. जब हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा होंगे एज कम्पेयर टू रिएक्टेंट, तो यूनिट ऑफ Kc हमारे पास किस चीज़ में होगा? नोमिनेटर में होगा. नाउ लुक एट केस 3. Kc has a unit for reaction in which the number of moles of product is less than the reactant in a balanced chemical equation. Now it is the opposite of case 2. Case 2 का opposite है, इसमें हमारे पास number of reactant ज़्यादा होंगे as compared to product. Let's take an example. This is the balanced chemical equation. 1 mole of nitrogen react with the 3 mole of hydrogen. It will form a 2 mole of ammonia. Okay. So write the expression for such reaction. Kc is equal to, write the product in the numerator and the reactant in denominator. So NH3 is a product. Write NH3 and close it in a bracket. Bracket represent the concentration of a product. Okay, so we have 2 moles of ammonia, so write this 2 in the power form. So these are the reactant. Nitrogen, close it in a bracket, and this is hydrogen, it close it also in a bracket and write in the denominator. So we have 1 mole of nitrogen, so there is no power on nitrogen, and we have 3 mole of hydrogen, so we have write 3 in the power form. Okay, so now we will find out the unit of concentration for this reaction. So unit of Kc is equal to, so what is the unit of concentration of ammonia? The unit of concentration of ammonia is also mole per dm cube. So write mole per dm cube for ammonia. How many moles of ammonia we have? We have 2 moles of ammonia, so write 2 in the power form. Now this is nitrogen. The unit of concentration of nitrogen is also mole per dm cube. So write mole per dm cube for nitrogen. There is no power because we have only 1 mole of nitrogen. Now this is hydrogen. We have 3 mole of hydrogen, so write mole per dm cube for hydrogen and 3 in the power form because 3 is the number of moles of hydrogen. Now हमारे पास नोमिनेटर में कितने मोल पर डीएम क्यूब है? 2 मोल पर डीएम क्यूब है, एंड डिनोमिनेटर में टोटल हमारे पास कितने हैं? 4 है, मतलब 3 ये है और 1 ये है, तो 4 है. सो 2 and 2 विल कैंसिल आउट विद ईच अदर. 2 and 2 हमारे पास क्या हो जाएंगे? कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. तो हमारे पास कितने मोल पर डीएम क्यूब रह जाएंगे? 2 मोल पर डीएम क्यूब रह जाएंगे, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके, 1 बाय मोल पर डीएम क्यूब. 2 तो हमारे पास ये कितने रह गए? 2 मोल पर डीएम क्यूब रह गया, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके, इज इट क्लियर कि केस 1 में जब हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड रिएक्टेंट सेम होंगे तो कोई यूनिट नहीं होगा. केस 2 में जब नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा होंगे एज कम्पेयर टू रिएक्टेंट, तो यूनिट हमारे पास नोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में आएगा. अगर हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ रिएक्टेंट ज़्यादा होंगे एज कम्पेयर टू प्रोडक्ट, तो हमारे पास वो किस चीज़ के फॉर्म में आएगा? डिनोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में आएगा. It is clear from the above equation that the unit of Kc depend upon the equation. It varies from equation to equation. That's for today, dear students. Thank you.